Look, a lot of people talk to me whether they should go the route of building AI workflows or should they go in the direction of building actual AI agents themselves. I often ask them these simple questions. Do they actually know what they're trying to achieve? Are they having some problems that they are actually solving? Or do they just want to make some efficiency gains, get some systematic approach to the way they're solving problems within their business? More or less, it boils down to just this: how often can you get AI to be deterministic enough to get the results that you want? For example, let's take a scenario where you ingest a lot of information from the customer, speaking about their brand, about what they want, and based on all that information, you get LLM to kind of give out a bunch of text content, videos, images, whatever it might be. How are you going to identify whether the output is good or bad? You need to have a feedback loop in place. How are you going to get the LLM to get the relevant insights for it? You need tools for web search, you need tools to scrape their websites, you need tools to fetch actual images from their websites or the HTML content or whatever it might be. You need tool views. And if you wanted to write as well in a specific templated format, you might have to kind of have the tasks split across multiple smaller events that are smaller executable tasks or sections that would then need to be synchronized together and stitched up together. More or less, what I'm trying to say is it's not as simple as do you just want an agent or do you just want a workflow. Oftentimes it's a combination of both, or it is either just the workflow. Don't get me wrong, AI agents are really sophisticated and there are also agents that are fairly simple. But more often than not, you just need automation, you don't need AI. And it's very hard to convince someone who is overwhelmed by all the AI buzz that is out there that you just don't need an AI solution for this. A simple workflow will do. And that is my honest advice to business owners. Try to have enough automation and systemized approach in place in the first scenario, and often get enough data to have the LLMs to be excellent at being deterministic with what you need. I'm not saying that AI will never hallucinate, it might in some scenarios, but if you want it to be trustworthy and kind of give the output directly to a consumer and get their feedback, you have to have it deterministic enough before you can do any of it. So, to sum it up, either you have to go the route of AI agent or workflow. If that's the question, you gotta first identify what problem you're trying to solve. Is this really that needs an AI or not? If it can be done with just workflows, then go for it. More often than not, it is the case. Just don't need an LLM for every problem that needs solving. Think about it.